The Advanced Doman courses are the next level of education for parents after taking the initial online Doman Method course from Special Needs to Wellness. The advanced courses allow parents to gain access to the knowledge of Doman International in different areas of development of their child. This includes really important areas like social development, speech development, cognitive development, physical development, improving a child's nutrition program and supplementation, as well as developing the child's respiratory system, problem-solving abilities, sleep, and so many other crucial areas of development. We highly recommend for all parents who have taken the online Doman Method course in the past and the live Doman Method course to look into these advanced courses to see what knowledge and tools might be important for their child's development. One of the great things about the advanced courses is they now allow our parents all around the world to access this information that they used to have to travel for, sometimes across continents to a Doman International location to attend the lectures live. Now these courses are fully online and can be taken from the comfort of your home. So hopefully parents all around the world will find this knowledge and experience very, very helpful for their child. And for our families who are coming to Doman International for live appointments or who are doing advanced consultations, which are remote appointments, the cost of the advanced courses is included in the cost of their evaluation and visit with Doman International. And this is, of course, because we want our families coming to us regularly for appointments to continue to be able to update their program at home and have all the knowledge and tools that we have to offer.